Our daily Sudoku practice continues. Hello, everyone. Welcome today. Yes, it's weekend, July 22nd, 2023. We have here a lot of puzzles here. Saturday, July the 22nd, 2023. First of all, we have two regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the medium Sudoku. I will solve this on Saturday. Sunday, I will solve the samurai Sudoku. Yes, samurai Sudoku. Then, yeah, we have a puzzle page on Saturday. This one, 3-star Sudoku. Well, it's actually a 2 stars. Yeah. Then we have another 3-star Sudoku, killer Sudoku we have here. Tectonic, 2 binaries, 4 of them, 4 out of 6, I will solve tonight on Saturday. And tomorrow, we have, the additional of Sunday, yes. 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars, Tectonic with 4 stars, Tectonic with 1 star, and the last one is a binary. And these puzzles I'm not interested. 4 of them I will solve in the evening of Sunday. Yeah, otherwise it's too much for me to solve all those puzzles. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. Alright, but first let me solve the regular medium Sudoku. Yes. Number. This will be number. Come on. Number 6792. 6792. Yeah. Six, 7, 9, 2. Let me zoom this in. Okay. Put this up. Okay. Position the camera, and then we can start. Yes. All right. Before I start, I always counted printed digits. 27 printed digits. Should be a 1 star if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars in the additional. A 1 star, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. We will see. Alright, so let's get started. A lot of sevens. Can I start with a 7? Yes, 7 in this row, 7 in the last row. So in the row between, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in the first column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in the middle row, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 3 places left for the 7 should be here, or there. We see a 7 in the last column, no 7 there. Here, 7 in that column, so no 7 there. So the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So in the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in the third row. No 7 there, 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 7. And now, let me see. 6. 6. Wow. Okay. Let me start with the 2 in this row, 2 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. The 9 in this column, the 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is the 6. We have a 6 in this third row, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and a 3. We have a 3 in the middle column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there. So we have a 1 in the first row, 1 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the third column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 6 in the third row, 6 in the first row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. You see a 6 in the last column? No 6 there. 6 should be there. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is the number 8. We have 8 in this third column, so no 8 there. We have 8 in the third row, so no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in the first row, 8 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and 9. We have a 4 in the second row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the first row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and a 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Then 6 in this row, 6 in the last row. So in the row between, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. You see a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 3 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in the third column, so no 6 there. 6 in the first column, so no 6 there. So the only place left for the 6 should be there. Can I count? Yes, and all the 6s are used. I can see a digit number 2, number 6. Alright. Now. Yeah. How about, we have here 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this row, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. Here 4 in the middle column, so no 4 in those 2 boxes. So the 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. 4 in this row, 4 in one of those 2 boxes. In the last row, so the row between, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. Alright. Now I cannot continue with the 4. How about the 8 in the last row? 8 in the row above. So that row, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 1 box left in the third column. For number the 1, the 2 is missing. 2 in the last row, 2 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 1 box left in the middle column for number the 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. Alright. So 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 it goes there. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 and the 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8, and 9 is missing. 3, 5, 9. 3, 5, 9, 3, 5, 9, 3, 5, 9. And look, we have a 3 and a 5 in this row. So no 3 and a 5 in this box. 3 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 5, 3 and 5. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number a 9. A 9 in the last row, 9 in a row above. So that row, the only place left for 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next. So that column, no need to place left for the 9 should be here or there. You see a 9 the middle row, so no 9 there. 9 should be there. The 9 in this row, the 9 in the middle row, so the row above, no need to place left for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9 in the second column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Can I count? Yes. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 9. Alright, 1 box left in the last row for number 1. The 1 in this column, the 1 in the column next. So that column, the only place left with 1 should be there. 1, 1. 1, 1. Can I continue with the 1 now? How about these 2 missing numbers in this big square for the ones, the 1 and 2. 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and 5, 3 and 5. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 3 in the last column. 3 in that column. So the column between. The only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be there. Can I count? Yes. And no. The 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 3. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. Alright, 2 missing numbers in the first column for numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 in this middle row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 1 box left in the middle row for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. The 1 in this row, the 1 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. You see a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, and a 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, and a 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there, finish in 12 minutes. Well. Told you I need to be faster than 50 minutes with 27 printed digits. And we solve it again, and I like this one, yes I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we will meet again later on with the 4 puzzles in the puzzle page of Saturday. Tonight, yes, in the evening I will solve those puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now, and have a great and fantastic Saturday.